Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Jitsi, how to schedule the meeting on Jitsi, on Moodle and through Jitsi website, and how to use each of the features available in your Jitsi. First of all, you need to go to Moodle for teachers, and then you need to go to your profile. And you need to click on setting and just scroll down, and here my private session on Jitsi, just click on it and click the button to access. Just click on access, and here you are in the meeting, but because I'm not able to record Jitsi meeting, I'm going to go to website, to Jitsi website. So I'm going to click on Jitsi Meet, and here I don't need to have any account, just click on Start Meeting. Here you have the link, you can copy and share with your friends. Here you can enter your name and then you can join the meeting. Here you can mute or unmute yourself. Here you can start or stop camera, and also you can change the background. And then join meeting. First of all, I'd like to start recording. When you start recording, your recording can be uploaded to Dropbox. Just you need to sign in and then start recording. Let's see what we have in more actions. Here I can stop recording, view full screen. I can mute everyone. I can disable everyone's camera. I can share video from YouTube. I can share audio. Again, I can select background, setting, and also I can leave feedback. Here, if I click on it, I can see the participants and I can invite someone through copying the link, sharing meeting invitation through mails, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, and just I'm going to cancel it. And what else? I can mute all, and if I have question, I can raise my hand. I can have I can send message to the participants. Here I can share entire screen, window, or Chrome tab. And then also I can share audio and click on the screen and share, but I'm just going to cancel it. I think that's all. Just I'm going to leave the meeting. Now I'm going to show you how you can upload your recording from Dropbox. Just you need to go to Jitsi recordings, then add a new discussion topic. Then choose advance, insert or edit an audio or video file. And here, browse it. We can choose Dropbox, Jitsi Meet, recordings, Jitsi. Then you need to select this file and insert media. Then after adding subject, you can post to forum. Thank you so much for your attention.